If you've ever wanted to make sub-bullet points in PowerPoint quickly and cleanly, this video is going to help a lot. Sub-bullets are one of the easiest ways to organize your content, make slides easier to read, and give your presentation a more professional look. Whether you're building a class project, a business presentation, or a training deck, knowing how to indent bullet points properly will save you time and make your slides look much better. Before we get into it, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to make a sub-bullet point in PowerPoint is by using your keyboard. First, type your main bullet point like normal. Once you've written it, press enter to go to a new line. At this point, PowerPoint will usually create another bullet point for you. Now here's the key step. Press tab on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint will move the bullet to the right and turn it into a sub-bullet. This is the quickest method when you're typing out a list and want to create structure on the fly. It's especially useful if you're making longer slides with multiple levels of information. You can keep typing your subpoints under the main bullet and PowerPoint will keep them visually separated and organized. Now, if you want to go back and turn a sub-bullet into a main bullet again, it's just as easy. Press Shift and Tab together. That moves the bullet back one level and takes it out of the sub-bullet position. So if you accidentally indented too far, or if you're done with the smaller detail and want to return to the main idea, Shift plus Tab is the shortcut you need. Let's go over that one more time so it sticks. Main bullet, press Enter, then press Tab to create a sub-bullet. If you need to move back, press Shift plus Tab. Once you get used to this shortcut, you'll be able to format bullet lists much faster without even touching the ribbon. Now let's look at method 2, which uses the PowerPoint ribbon. This is a great option if you prefer clicking instead of using keyboard shortcuts, or if you're working on a laptop and want to see the formatting controls more clearly. First, click on the bullet point you want to change. Then go to the Home tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the paragraph section, look for the Increase List Level button. This is the tool that moves your bullet point into a sub-bullet level. Once you click it, the selected bullet will shift to the right and become a sub-bullet. This method is helpful if you already have text written and want to reformat it afterward. You don't have to delete anything or retype the line. Just select the bullet, use Increase List Level, and PowerPoint handles the indentation for you. If you want to bring it back to the main level, you can usually use the Decrease List Level option in the same area, or simply use Shift plus Tab on the keyboard. That gives you flexibility depending on how you like to work. The main thing to remember is that sub-bullets help you show hierarchy. Your main bullet is the big idea, and the sub-bullets are supporting points, examples, or details. That makes your slides easier for your audience to follow and much more visually appealing. So if you want the fastest method, use Enter and Tab. If you want to do it with your mouse, go to Home and choose Increase List Level. Both methods work great, and now you know exactly how to do both. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.